Open the Flitpay app and log into your account using your registered email ID and password. Then, tap on Wallet in the bottom navigation bar of the app. In the wallet, click on Deposit and select the INR Deposit option. Now, choose Instant Bank Deposit, and all your virtual bank account details will appear below. Use these virtual account details to add Flitpay as a payee in your banking app, imobile, PNB Mobile, YONO SBI, Axis Mobile, etc. To add payee, enter the account number, IFSC code, name, account type as displayed in the Flitpay app. Now transfer the INR funds through IMPS, RTGS transfer method. The INR amount will instantly reflect in your Flitpay wallet based on the transfer method's processing time. Crypto products and NFTs are unregulatory and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries and concern, write to us at support.flitpay.com.